clutch takeoff is terrible. At least it's not like chugging. Brakes feel fine. God, I'm not used to ape hangers anymore. Alright, this is the 01 Honda Shadow Ace, TJ Brutal Customs Performance Jet Kit, Cobra exhaust, no baffles, so you can hear me a little better. Cobra exhaust, no baffles, velocity stacks, no air intake. I don't have the side covers on. This isn't 100% put back together. I can tell you right now, she needs a little adjustment on the idle. Probably too much airflow, but let's take it for a spin. This is easily the loudest this Shadow has ever been. Definitely got more pickup though. D-cell, no D-cell pop. She's got that high idle, I'll tell you that. Alright, what's the deal, dude? Alright, we're gonna see if this dude wants to have an issue or not.